So this is my Aldi Voyager Sky Scanner HD quadcopter that I bought from Aldi over 4 years ago, and coincidentally this is the last field I flew it on in its original state, where I managed to fly into the fence over there, which at the time was logs rather than the steel, and I think I stripped a gear. So it's quite fitting that its first successful flight of just over 4 minutes is back on the field where it had its final flight with its brushed motors. Now of course it's got brushless motors, 10 amp ESCs and a camera on the nose. So far so good. After a few trials and tribulations, it's looking like a successful revival. Right, we're on the air. Where did you go?
Uh-oh. Well, that took a while to start. A bit close to those people.
How long have we been up?
2:41. It's very gusty. 4 minutes. Oop, and it's down. No, it's directly in front of me. Dave? Dave? Dave?
So 4 minutes and how much?
4 minutes 17.
Good. So,
And it's very gusty.
yes, it is.
Worryingly, one of them took longer to start than the rest.
It does. That's a factor of the fact the ESCs aren't tuned. What they do, part of tuning is they synchronise to be smooth from the restart. If you don't synchronise them, they synchronise themselves. They feedback electronically. So the fact it's a rough looking start doesn't matter as long as it gets in the air.
Yeah, I was just a bit worried when one of them didn't start
moving. My
moving.
newer ESCs, I'm trying to get more of them. They seem to be smoother. They're different technology. This is still, it's the same technology as original Bugs ESCs, but better quality and more powerful. That's good. So I can try it with a more powerful battery. And once I've done that and I'm happy with that, I can, I've got some blades that might even be better. These are old ones that are just lying around. I've got some tri blades, too big for the Bugs. Might be good on these. It felt wobbly in the sky, but
It was.
It's gusty.
Yeah, I mean you can see from the, hopefully you can see from the cat camera, but it was definitely
Moving around, wobbling around.
Yes.
Yeah.
But then my hair was also flapping.
Yes. I certainly wouldn't have flown in these conditions years ago. My rule of thumb was anything above 15 kilometres an hour and I'd give it a miss. These days, if it's 25 gusty to 30, that's about the limit I'm happy to fly in. It's good to get confirmation that I've done enough to, and the engines are running cool. The first thing you do is put your lip against the
I could see you. You look like the guy with the fish.
yes. It's a serious business of picking out if anything's overheated. And it certainly hasn't. That's looking good. Triumphant return of Voyager, Cocoon Voyager Sky Scanner to the
I
field
feel my
of last
husband
flight.
cares more about drones are just for me and here's the evidence.
Ah, but the drones come and go, you don't.